This is what we're going to do. We're going to take you back to the elephant where we can touch, take pictures.
How are you?
And,
back up you.
Yeah, if you get any questions about elephants, you can ask your questions. So we split the elephants in smaller groups, you get some tubes, and after that we will take you one over the elephants.
Speak closer.
You know their names.
Hey!
What's to the position you can see about? This one. Shake this one out.
Okay. Go, come on.
Coming behind you. It's coming.
Okay. I'll just love him now. Okay. Let me do it quickly. You two there, you two there, you two there. I'm making groups now. I will send it through to the... You join that side?